Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a bracelet, but it will be a different kind of bracelet using memory wire or wire or whatever it's called. It's going to be this. I'm using this to make my bracelet. And yeah, so stay tuned of how it's going to look and everything. These are the colors I'm going for, and I'll be, well, I done used this already to cut this. I don't know if I'm going to be using this, but I know I will be using these. I'll be using this for my joint rings, and this to twirl my joint rings on my charms. This is a heart, a key, a butterfly, I think a little mermaid. Let me see if I can get it right on my fingers. If y'all can see this. A little mermaid. A leaf. And a shoe. Heel. But I don't know if I'm going to use the heel or not. I don't know if I'm going to use all of these. But stay tuned of what I'm going to be creating. So what I'm doing now is going to be taking my pliers from my joint rings and put my charms on here. Once again, I want to know how y'all day went. I know y'all seen the video from this morning with me making my bracelets for myself. So I want y'all to go check that video out. And all that good stuff. So yeah. But I don't know if I'm going to use all of these charms on the bracelet that I'm going to be making. I don't know if I'm going to be using them. I'll get that. See, the charms even want to run from me. Like, why? Why do y'all want to run from me for? But I want y'all to stay tuned on what I'm going to be creating. But I'm not going to use the shoe. No, I'm not going to use that. So it's the butterfly, the leaf, the key, the mermaid looking thing, and the heart. I would have made my own charms with my resin, the colors that I got going on here, but no, I'm not going to do it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring y'all up to my face. So now what I'm going to do is take this and I'm going to twirl it down. This thing is a little hard to do, but I'll make it work with what I am doing. See? Yeah, I can see, yeah. Y'all can see that. So what I'm going to do now is come on this side and I'm going to start off with I'm going to start off with the red and then the green, then the yellow, and then the black. Then I got these spacers that I got going on here that I have. And I'm going to use these. Let's see. But I'm going to be back because I want to have some storage on my phone. So I'm going to be back. So I took what I put on there the first time. I took it and took it off of there. And I'm going to do them like this. To see how that goes on a look. Let's see. And then what I'm going to do is put a charm on there. Let it go on around the circles. So this is what it's going to be looking like. Well, this way, but this the back. And then I'm do it again, the same colors, but different spacers in there. Do black. No, I'm not gonna do black. And I'm gonna do it in the same pattern that I have, but different. Okay. But yeah, stay tuned of what I will be having and creating on my thing or on this bracelet. So this is what I have at the beginning. I mean, yeah. So at the beginning, like I got at the beginning. If I have enough beads for this, I might make 2 of them. I don't know yet. But I might make 2 of them. Depends on how it come out. Or it depends on how many more I have. And then put another charm on it. So we're going to twirl that around. And we're going to put a green one on there again. So it goes on and on and on. And I'll come back. I'm going to show another clip of me doing it. And then I'm going to come back with it all done. So I'm doing it again. Yeah, but like I said in the other video, I'm gonna be doing my collection. I'm gonna be probably adding another video. I mean, not another video. I'm sorry. Another in my collection. I'm gonna be making, probably doing Apple Watch bracelets. I don't know yet if I can get the stuff for it. Then, that'll be my next thing to do. If y'all want to help me, I can put my Cashapp on the screen and y'all can help me get it if y'all would like to help me do it, to see me do my Apple Watch bracelets. I'm going to have to get some more charms because this is not going to be enough of what I got. So, yeah. But I'm going to do, this is my last one. Not my last one, but the last video clip. And then I'm going to show y'all off camera. I mean, when I come back, I'm going to show y'all how it's going to look. How it's looking or what I got. So I'll be back. So I had to do some more charms. And I'm doing them now. I don't think I'm going to use the shoe because that thing is thick to put on this junk ring. So I don't think I'm going to use that charm on there. I'm about to break my fingers. Well, not break, but hurt my fingers. Don't think so. Yeah, y'all see, I love my bracelet. Let me make me some more bracelets. I don't even really wear this kind of stuff, but I used to, though. I used to wear these bracelets, and when I wore them, you know, I was alright with them, but then I just stopped wearing them. See, this shoe is hard to get on here. I don't know how many more charms I'm gonna need. The last one is gonna be this flower. So I have this four-leaf clover, and I have this, whatever this is, with the tree in it. I have a music symbol, and whatever this thing down they be having in the water. And I'll be back. So this is what I got so far on it. So I'm about done with it. Yeah, I'm about done with it, so you know. And I probably put a charm on the end of this too, so it won't be naked or bare. So yeah. See, I already got this color on here for that one, so I'm gonna use gold spacer, and then the bead, and then the spacer, the heart spacer, the black again, and then a green spacer, and then the red, then the charm again. Look like I'm gonna have to get another charm to put on here, but we'll see. Because we're gonna do a yellow one this time, and then a yellow bead, then a spacer, and then the black. So yeah, stay tuned, because I'm about finished. So stay tuned of what I'm gonna what it's gonna look like. So this is what it's looking like now. And I put a charm at the end of this bracelet. This is what it's looking like. Just stick it on your arm and now have it dangle down. This is what it's looking like. So it's basically unhooks or whatever on both sides. And you got all the charms on there. Let me take these off so y'all can see it more better. But this is what it's looking like. So it basically meets. I turned it around so y'all can see. It basically meets like right here and right here. See? But yeah. That's what I did with this bracelet. I could do it a little small, well, you know, a little tighter, but this is what I got. I think it's real cute. Probably didn't need all these charms on there, but that's what came to my mind. God put this in my mind. But yeah, I've been wanting to make one with like this. When I had got my what are you at? When I had got my things, I use these for earrings too. So when I had got these, I was like, oh, okay. I know what I want to make with these two instead of earrings. I don't know what this little thing's for. I think of something. Probably a little ring or something, you know. Put on around your finger and, you know. I be having creative minds. Well, my mind be creative at times. So, yeah. So, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. But, and again, I'm about to start making Apple Watches, bracelets, things. If y'all want to help me get it and all that good stuff, I'll leave my Cashapp at the bottom of the screen or across the screen right here. That's if y'all want to help. I'm not, you know. But yeah, I'm out.